Good morning, guys. What's going on? It is the 24th of November. It is Thanksgiving morning, bright and early, looking at Casper cryptocurrency. This is Casper/Tether USDT. This is a daily chart, tradingview.com. Casper currently up 1%. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. Thanks for joining us here on the channel. Appreciate it. Getting into the market here, a little bit of a reversal in Casper. So a reversal came in here right at one of our overhead resistance levels. And I want to kind of dive into that level and kind of what's going on and why I have them on my chart kind of as a reference guide. So if we take a closer look here at Casper, I'm going to zoom in here, move the chart over. So just a real quick, if you are new to the channel or do not know, I have a lot of lines on my chart, as you can tell, both below the market and above the market. Some are yellow, some are white. The color doesn't really matter. It's just the lines and the prices that matter. So, for example, Casper currently is trading at 0.295. We can see that right here by this green dotted horizontal line, also on today's candle, which is the 24th of November. So let's take a look. So all of the lines above where the current price is today are potential areas of resistance. All of the lines below where the price today is are potential areas of support as price approaches. So, keeping that in mind, guys, as the price approached one of our upper levels, which is 0.0310, which is right here. It's our closest next area on the chart. The price found resistance and moved the other way. And that is what I mean as potential overhead resistance. Go back and watch my previous Casper videos. I've had this level on the chart for a very long time. 0.310. 310 is the resistance level. And it worked exactly perfect. The high for today so far is at 0.03110. That is what I mean, how they are potential areas of resistance for X amount of time. Sometimes they don't act as resistance for very long. Sometimes they do act as resistance for much, much longer. As we can tell, we have current resistance right now up there at 522 and 509, and that has been since October 17th. So they can act as resistance for a very long time. We also have a bunch of candles right here at 415, all finding resistance at that level. And going back to today, my resistance level is 310. Today's current resistance level for the candle is at 310. Let me go to a daily chart and show you this. You can see how we traded up. We had a really nice breakthrough, turning resistance into support at 284 right here on the chart. This is a 3-minute chart, by the way, guys. We blasted through that level. Almost got us up right to 310. Not quite. Pulled back, almost have this nice cup pattern here. Basically a small cup with handle in the 3-minute. We traded right up to our 310 level and then backed away. And it is working as it does as overhead resistance. Now, that can get broken today still and turn into support. But currently, it is resistance. I have the chart zoomed in quite a bit here. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. Turn on those notifications if you want to be updated when we put out these videos. So as the price moves away from our overhead resistance, which is at 310, we could be, I'm not saying we will, but we could be heading to another level below the market, which right now is at 284. So let's say price reversed off 310 today. So far it has. Let's say it continues lower from here. Doesn't mean it will, but it could. We could be heading down to 284. And like I said, levels below the market, potential areas of support, levels above the market, potential areas of resistance. Now, if you were just a buy and hold long-term Casper, these don't necessarily matter as much to you, although you can use them as a reference guide to either pick up more shares or lock in profits, depending on how you want to hold Casper. What I mean by that is, as this rally continued here and you started to see the candles reverse through some overhead resistance levels, you could have locked in some profits. As price started to approach levels below the market, like 262 and 284 as potential areas of support, you could have used that to accumulate more shares of Casper. So currently today, 310 is our resistance. It could still break. We could see a big rally in the market. We could break that, turning it into support. We could be heading up to 334. We could be heading up to 363. All depends on the market and Casper. But these levels do hold a lot of weight. So that is just kind of what I wanted to share here on Casper. I am glad to see the price so far back above 284. It was having a struggle there for a couple days. Yesterday, we broke through that. Yesterday was a nice day, a 5.8% day. Today is basically 1%, although it was up quite a bit more. But like I said, overhead resistance. So we're keeping an eye on that. And we're keeping an eye on, if the price heads lower, 284. So that's my thoughts, guys. Hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving and a great rest of their week into the weekend. Markets are recovering nicely here. Perhaps we saw that double bottom on Bitcoin, at least for now. We'll see if it holds or if it gets undercut again. And if that's the case, we know what will happen with the rest of the market. All right, guys, take care. I'll catch you guys in the next video.